Hello and welcome to this month's Heatline video blog. This month we're going to speak about an application that is growing in the industry, and that is permanent, mobile, or prefab homes. As many of our clientele and customers know, Heatline has become well known in the freeze protection industry for in-pipe heating cable systems known as our trade name Retroline and Retroline Mini. And these products have been synonymous with protecting homes, cottages, dwellings from pipes freezing coming from a lake, a well, a river, so on and so forth. But that growing industry now in the prefabbed home and mobile permanent installations is becoming increasingly significant for these products. And where they're used in those types of installations is that commonly you'll have a prefabbed home which may be installed on pillars or a raised foundation, and they're skirted around the outside edge. And that underneath of the prefabbed home, commonly although skirted and insulated, isn't heated. And the water that comes to those prefabbed homes conveniently comes from below the frost line, but then it needs to transition from below grade up into the mobile home. And then what you end up having is an exposed section of pipe that is transitioning above ground, but also directly underground until it's below the frost line. And the Retroline is a convenient solution to install inside that pipe from inside the dwelling, inside the prefabbed home, transition through that exposed section of pipe underneath the skirted area and go 3 to 4 feet just below the frost line. And the convenient thing is it's going directly inside the pipe. There's no need to unearth the pipe to access it with an external heat trace. The entire installation remains fully serviceable. And the best part is that you now have running water to that prefab mobile permanent home year-round. We hope you found this month's video blog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video blog monthly. Be sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or following other social media. Thanks for watching.